Have you ever wondered how a parrot grows? How they go from tiny little eggs to the vibrant, chatty birds we know and love? Well, today we're going on an adventure to explore exactly that. Buckle up, because we're diving into the wonderful world of parrots. In the world, there are around 390 different species of parrots. That's a lot, right? Some of the most popular ones are the African gray, the macaw, the cockatoo, and of course the budgerigar, or as we often call them, budgies. Each type of parrot has its own special characteristics. For example, African greys are known for their outstanding ability to mimic human speech, while macaws are famous for their stunning colors and their long tail feathers. Cockatoos, on the other hand, are loved for their expressive crests and their playful, sometimes cheeky personalities. And budgies? They are small, sociable, and absolutely adorable. Now, let's move on to how a parrot grows. The journey of a parrot begins as an egg, which is usually laid in a nest high up in the trees, away from predators. After a few weeks, a tiny baby parrot, or a chick, hatches from the egg. At this stage, the chick is very small with no feathers and relies on its parents for warmth and food. As days pass, the chick starts to grow feathers. First, they're soft and fluffy, but as the chick grows older, these feathers start to become more vibrant and colorful, just like the adult parrots we know. The chick also starts to learn how to eat on its own, usually by watching its parents. After a few months, the young parrot is ready to leave the nest and explore the world. But even then, they still stick close to their parents, learning from them and picking up important skills, like how to find food and avoid danger. So, to summarize, there are many different types of parrots in the world, each with their own unique traits. They start their life as eggs, grow into chicks, and eventually leave the nest to become the beautiful, chatty parrots we know and love. It's a journey full of growth, learning, and, of course, lots and lots of squawking. And that, my friends, is the fascinating story of how a parrot grows. From eggs to vibrant adults, every step of their journey is a testament to the beauty and variety of life in our world. So, the next time you see a parrot, remember the amazing journey they've been through to become the bird they are. Isn't nature wonderful?